What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and there is new AI on the party, okay? Imagine the following scenario. You have the needs of creating an image. You need the image of a pug, for example, of a person, and the image needs to be transparent. You go to Google and type, for example, pug PNG image. Most of the images have copyrights, maybe from something else, and some others are fake transparent images, okay? So some just have this little squares right here, but are fake, are not really transparent. How to create your own image with transparent background using AI? So from text to image, just like DALL-E or Leonardo AI or Midjourney, for example. How? First thing, go to Google and type PNG Maker AI. Here is the guide we're looking for, pngmaker.ai. Here is the guide we're looking for. You go right here, you're gonna be into the site. There is some nice examples of images created using the AI. And for example, I would like to create a pug having fur. Click on it. Then you can set some prompt, some more information on the prompt. You can choose the size of the image, and you can set the amount of image. It can be 1 or 2. If you are a pro member, you can set 4, but we have no needs for it. Click on generate. Waiting to start. High traffic ahead. Now generating the prompts. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes to generate the image. And here are the images we have. This one is fancy and fully transparent, okay? And of course, we can download the image. Here's the image on my computer. No need to log in, no need to something. And the image that we create are being right here to download for 7 days, okay? After this, the image got deleted. In the case that you don't like, a pug driving a car. Just one example. Let's try to see what we get. And as you can see the image right here and download for your needs, okay? Let's see what results we got. Once again, I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it takes to generate the image. And in the case that you need a more realistic image, you can type a realistic pug driving a car or something like this. Okay, this is bad, but this image, it's awesome. Okay, simple, easy, and works for free. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, WP Bakery, or Gutenberg block editor. And it's a totally free WordPress plugin. In addition, we have the best free WordPress theme that gives you pre-built websites. That is our Enzu WordPress theme. Also can be downloaded for free. In addition, in the case that you would like to submit your blog or to publish some content on some other blogs or to connect with a growing blogging community, to Trash, for marketing, for collaboration, go to growth.net and review the platform. You can submit and find sites for free. Talking about free things, we have the sites.gallery website, a place where we can promote your site, your apps, your games, your landing pages, your stores, and all it's free as well. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium themes, plugins, options, icons, images, and many more content for you to create the site of your dreams and to use internet on your site's favor. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!